This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Isel Nevins. New MLS number 689,604, new price 2. 3-bedroom, 1 full and 1 half bath CBS home with formal living and dining rooms, family room and a Florida room west/French doors out to the privacy fence backyard, and inside laundry area too. Great location with park and public golf course nearby, convenient to Eastern Florida State College and easy access to the interstate for a quick commute to the Orlando International Airport, Orlando attractions, Port Canaveral and world-famous Cocoa Beach. This is a Fannie May HomePath property. Purchase this property for as little as 5% down. This property is approved for HomePath Mortgage Financing. This property is approved for HomePath Renovation Mortgage Financing. For more information, review the details below or contact Isel Nevins at 321-537-3956.